Hey everyone, it's Dave Richens, and in today's segment, I want to talk to you a little bit about something that might be holding you back from buying that dream home you've thought about. The higher interest rates. Guess what though? It might actually be the perfect time for you to make that move. Here's why. First off, higher interest rates tend to scare people away, potential buyers, and even disqualify them. That means less competition on the home you've set your sights on, fewer bidding wars, and you may even be able to have a better chance of snagging that home at a better price. Not only that, higher interest rates can sometimes put downward pressure on home prices. Sellers may be more motivated to negotiate and offer a competitive deal that attracts buyers in a market with higher borrowing costs. That presents a better opportunity for you, and potentially you can secure that deal and save some of those precious dollars. Now, if you find yourself locked in higher interest rates, remember that you can always refinance when rates come down. As long as your income and your credit score remain strong, refinancing allows you to take advantage of the lower rates in the future and potentially reduce those mortgage payments and save you money in the long run. Here's another option. Consider starting a variable rate or even a buy down if you're comfortable with that. Variable rates can offer a lower initial interest rate, provided with the opportunity that you save money in the early years of the home ownership. As they decrease over time, you can benefit by going through the process of taking out a new loan and paying closing costs. So remember, high interest rates shouldn't completely put your home buying plans on hold. It's crucial to weigh the long-term benefits and consider your financial situation and consult professionals like myself so that you can make an informed decision. If now's the time is right for you to embark on this journey, don't hesitate. Let's make that dream a reality. Drop the questions or DM me below. My team is standing by to guide you in every step of the way.